What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Can You Clap Bomb It? Question mark. If you are new to this channel, I am Ryan Wynn, and this is Can You Clap Bomb It, where we take random objects and take slap shots until we blow the crap out of them. All day, every day. You know what never goes out of style? Freaking clap bomb. Gotta show the youngins how to do it. Oh my, this sounds like a gun, man. Alright guys, today's a beautiful Saturday. Feels like summer out. It's about 70 degrees. I don't really know. It feels hot because I'm wearing the jersey. To go along with the summer day, we have a very, very special, very delicious. It's sad that we have to clap on it because it's almost a waste, but I'm gonna try and drink as much as I can of it. Rec League by Harpoon. This is what we're clap bombing today. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Tastes great. It's hoppy but light. We did Corona on the last episode. Casey Wynn wasn't here. Here he is. He's back again today. We decided we had to do another beer because, you know, he missed out on the big bombs in Corona. So, of course, Harpoon Rec League. Let's go check out the set real quick. Why not? Why not? All right, as you can see, honestly, the set pretty similar to the Corona. Okay, we got big 3 in the middle, 2 on the sides. We got some low-hanging bonus points for the fruit here up in the top corners, you know, where Daddy adds the dirty lingerie. Oh my God! Guys, big story on today, though. This is the big thing. Is Casey back on set with Haley Wynn. The dynamic continues. Tensions are high already, I can tell.
That's embarrassing that Nina beat you on her first try out here, and you still have 0 wins. Hate to see it. Just hate to see it. Nothing? Yikes.
As usual, we're gonna be taking slap shots, trying to make the boom boom, the splashy splashy, the woo woo, the pew 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 pew. Right, Ma? All right, let's try and make some explosions, you know, maybe splash a little bit on the old truck over here. Without further ado, let's get her going.
No, you got rattled because I didn't say anything.
Quiet out of Haley's section.
It gets him mad when I
No, I'm gonna actually just start like
silent.
this, and then you're gonna...
That's how I get to his head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is so easy to get into her head. I probably own like 3/4 of her brain minimum. I can sell it out to whoever I want in the entire world. Like, hey, you wanna buy a piece of Haley's brain for like $100? Probably not even worth that much, probably like $5. But like, here, you can have a piece of her brain for $5. You can have a piece for 10. Just selling it to people.
I've been working on my mental game this quarantine. Get in my head.
Good time. How you feeling about today, man? The mullet looks great as usual. Give me a little mullet flip. Thank you. Oh wow.
Predictions. I don't think Haley's gonna do much.
All right, dude. Let's get after it. Did you just hit it?
She hit it.
Did you just hit it and it didn't do anything?
I don't think I hit it.
Yeah, you did.
I don't think I did it.
Dude, have you been?
Dude, stop. I don't think I hit it.
Okay,
I'm not making any excuses, but I can basically only see out of one eye today.
Bro, you just hit that one square.
How many do I get, dude?
All right. We'll switch it up. Hey. Listen, you gotta stay composed here. You know, you gotta stay composed.
Dude, I am.
Okay, I'm not even fighting back. That's how much in her head I am. I wasn't even to see. I don't even have to fight back. I'm so far in her head.
Tickles are off limits.
All right, we got the mullet man up here. It looks a little bit like Morgan Wallen with the new hairdo. Tom, let's see what you can do here. Haley's been struggling.
Oh, heads. Oh, shit.
I almost just died. I had no clue that came straight back at us.
Holy crap. It's dangerous on the set today.
Oh!
The car was going by the way we smashed it.
Shit.
Dude, fucking bullshit.
It's supposed to hit the beer, not the stump.
Yeah, no shit.
Wait.
Dude, come on. We're not gonna wait every time a car goes by.
Dude, I told you.
Wasn't even close. Tom, you going puck hunting?
Yeah.
Look both ways, bud.
Bursting with citrusy hop flavor and aroma. Refreshing and just 120 calories.
Don't.
Whoa, dog. Gonna take a clap bomb to the face again.
Dude, that's the next episode. Clap bamming puppies.
Going for the top titties.
Dude, that's all I go. Top titty with the clapper. Yay, baby! Oh! Woo! You get that, baby? Thank God, dude. Thank God. Dude, that was a freaking splash. Holy crap. Directly it goes boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Holy crap. There's nothing left.
Oh!
There's nothing left, bro.
It's shredded. Master Shredder.
Call me Master Shredder. Ninja Turtles, baby. Accuracy alone puts me ahead of Tommy and Haley right off the bat. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dude, this one's damaged. This one is like empty. Feel that.
The people want to see the spillage.
Even had a little leftover bear to suck down. You know what I'm saying? Oh!
I don't have high expectations.
Are you gonna go top titty right away, or are you gonna go right for the meat?
I'm going right for the middle of that.
Meat and potatoes, bud?
Yeah. Accuracy might be not at an all-time high.
When you
I might miss the net. I might
misses the net
I might
when
miss
he's
the net
aiming
a
for the
couple
middle.
times.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted those over on that side, so I didn't hit the Lexus.
Oh, I got you. That makes sense. Gotta keep the Lexus safe.
Holy crap! First for one! Yeah, how you like them apples, buddy? How you like them? Woo! Suck it!
Suck it!
Like that.
Oh! Spread it! We got a squirrel!
Again, do the shot. Like Stanley Cup champion.
You're wasting those quality beers.
Dude, you want it? It's leaking.
Yeah.
It's misting. Dude, no, it's leaking at the bottom.
So
Yeah, you gotta open it.
No,
Drink it.
you got a shotgun it.
Oh!
Landscaping.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's good. Always good to get mom and dad involved.
Good stuff.
Dude, it's alright. We're gonna have some left over. I'm taking a couple sips on the side. We got some bottles, you know?
We got the bottle service
That's an
going.
all-day drinker right there.
That is an all-day drinker.
This top.
It's in perfect.
Yeah.
Crack it open. Take a sip. That was first shot back. That was pretty incredible.
That was incredible, honestly. I mean, you can't make things up like that.
What?
Just champions have to perform at a high level at all time.
He's so lucky.
I mean, must suck to be you.
I'm a little tired. I just worked out. Like Casey, he doesn't know what that is. That's why he just can hit it first try. He doesn't work out. He's not tired.
Just freaking rip it, dude. Yeah! Let's go! Celebration.
I'm not used to it.
That was a good shot.
Thanks. Just cut out all the ones before it.
Bam and heavy bottom right here. We got Tommy.
Tommy the mullet. Dude, that mullet looks so perfectly feathered and fluffed today. It's freaking gorgeous, dude.
Thanks, man.
The dog hates Casey. Dog hates Casey.
Okay, Tommy, ready? Oh!
Crushed me.
Yeah, you did. You did. But the explosion wasn't great. The splash diameter. Oh! You hit it in a weird spot.
Right at the very bottom.
Maybe Maya. Maybe we can give Maya a little buzz. Should we call her over? Yeah. Hey, Maya! Maya!
Here.
Maya! Maya, want a sip? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want to see the...
Pressure. Jacob Josephson. He is next. Will start up. And
You know what that gets you?
Lit up at the blue.
Lit up with the blue line! I'm gonna set off a bomb right here. Dude, I am hot today! Ronaldo! LeBron! I'm hot, dude! Jordan!
Yeah, I thought you-
Oh! you see the freaking spray on that thing? That was like, anyway, I was so tired from celebrating, dude. That thing was like squirting. It's like the wild one, you know? It's gonna get, you know?
Yeah.
Oh!
You squirted. That was a perfect hole right there. If I don't get this win today, I'm gonna be furious and I'm gonna question the audience. Comment below who you think the winner is. We got one left and we got 3 hanging fruit. No one's gone for the top titty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not accurate enough for that. That's like a Haley thing, okay? I don't shoot.
Then I don't blow them up.
Yeah, we're gonna try and pick the low-hanging apples. I'm gonna go for the left side because there's 2 over there, so more likely to hit one, hopefully. But
Right, it's math, right?
yeah,
Math,
simple math.
What are you, accounting?
Yeah, sometimes.
That would have been so cool if you hit like first shot.
I don't think I can lift it with this stick, honestly.
Holy crap, dude.
Oh! Dude, you were all over it!
Here we go.
Holy crap, dude.
The ones up top don't explode as
What'd
much.
you say? Dude, I thought that was a good explosion. Get it in the system. Get it in the system.
Tom's got a tea time, okay?
Stay social distancing, okay?
Yep.
Tell him to vote.
You go vote down below.
Some
Probably not gonna see any Tommies there, but you know, Casey and Ryan got a good fight going on.
Honestly, Haley came in last.
Focus! You gotta
See what you can do here. I think you're gonna be the last shooter.
Huh?
So let's do it.
Alright.
Oh! You hit the same one!
It didn't explode. It was already exploded.
Accuracy. I hit that. Let me go again now.
Oh! Is that a broken stick? Is
Yeah,
that thing
that
broken? Check it. You shattered it? Are you done?
Probably.
Hey, any stick companies, you know, if you like the videos, feel free to send us sticks because we break about fucking 1 a week. Hey!
Yeah! I mean, that is barely cracked. I mean, Haley, you can't even get your cans to crack open.
Dude, that thing's still super. Guys, get under that, man! You already got free fountain, dude! You got free fountain! Not gonna lie, there's a lot of fun. That thing shook up pretty good, dude.
Dude, I have more splash than you.
Let's cut to the outro. What do you think? We good? Let's cut to the outro. Good, so I can just go drink this instead of exploding it. Thanks. Okay, outro. Oh! Holy crap, guys! That is it for this episode of Can You Clap Bomb It? ? It was an outrageous episode, guys. I think what has happened here is we have created a rec league of our own, and it's only proper that we are clap bombing Harpoon Rec League, powered by Harpoon Rec League. Guys, this was an absolute blast. If you like this video, make sure to smash your like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing, dude? Smash the sub button if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the notification bell, and until next time, peace. Oh wait, I forgot to. Peace! Comment below who you thought had the biggest clap bomb.
Haley, last play.
Woo! Alright, have a nice day in quarantine.
You just nailed my shit, guys.